Hey guys, I've got some goodies here from Lantern Wren to show you. These are stamping polishes from a stamping brand that is new to me. I've never tried it before, called Color Alike. So I'm going to be doing test swatches of these for you. So this one is called Hot Sand, and it's like this kind of bronzy brownish hollow. These are all hollows. This one is called Grenadine. I'm not sure if you can see that. And this is a gorgeous pink hollow. Then we have Hawaiian Blue, and this is a gorgeous, like, bright cerulean sea sort of blue. That is awesome. Then here we have Aquarium, duh, of course. And this is a green, kind of, I'm not going to call it like, well, a tealish, like a really green leaning teal, maybe is the kind of teal we're looking at there. And then this one is Kiwis, or maybe Kiwiz. And that's a gorgeous, like, electric avocado is what it makes me think of there, that kind of green hollow. And then this one is Purple Mojito, and this is a beautiful purple. So these are all great colors for summer, and I'm going to test them out and see how it stamps. I also wanted to show you, they have, Lantern Wren has a new cleanup brush. So if you're looking for a new cleanup brush, their stuff is always really good. I love their brushes, and this has tapered edges here, so can you see that? There we go. So really great for getting in corners and things with the cleanup. Plus they have this Ombre brush, which this is primarily meant for gel polishes, and if you look on the page, it will definitely say that it's meant for gel polishes. But I, of course, don't use gel polishes, and I wanted to check and see if it would work at all for non-gel polishes. And the answer that I got is mostly not really. So this is what happened when I tried to use it first with a non-gel polish. The problem is that non-gel polishes dry quickly, right? Because gel polishes are meant to you have to cure them in order to get them to really get hard, whereas regular polishes are going to dry a little bit faster. So that's what happened when I just tried the two. But when I took a little bit more patience and used colors that are, you know, obviously white and black are going to be pretty stark differences. When I did colors that were a little bit more subtle and were a little bit more blendable, I actually think that came out pretty decent. Now, a sponge, you're always going to get a smoother gradient with a sponge, and you're going to get a faster gradient with a sponge. So for a lot of things, that's going to be my go-to way. This, you can see there's like a little bit of stippling, but I think that there are definitely some occasions and some ways where you would want that effect. So you definitely can do it this way. You just have to be a little bit more patient and work a little bit faster and know that it's not going to be 100% smooth. But especially if you just wanted to have like stripes of gradient behind your stamping or do something like that, this could be a really cool tool for your arsenal. So even though it is primarily meant for gel polishes, and I would definitely say be careful if you buy it with your expectations, it can be a tool for other things. So let me know actually if you want me to do a tutorial on how I did this, and I can show that to you. And in the meantime, let's go see how these bad boys stamp. Okay, to do the swatches, I'm going to use Lantern Wren's All Things Spring Plate, and I'm going to use this image here. Okay, so let's take a closer look. This is the Hot Sands, and here it is, and you can see gorgeous over light and dark. You guys saw these are gorgeous over all of them over light and dark, and I'm hoping that the camera is picking up that holo because the holo shines like crazy. All right, here is the grenadine, and then we have this beautiful, oh my gosh, so pretty, almost like a red. It's a really deep rose pink. And then we have the Hawaiian blue, and that looks like this over the dark and the light. Oops. Focus, focus. That looks like this over both the dark and the light, so it's gorgeous. And then we have Aquarium, and that is also really pretty over light and dark. Then this, what I call the electric avocado, I've decided it's a peridot, which is great because that's my birthstone, so you think I would have come up with that a little faster, but there you go. Again, just works over both. So awesome. And then last but not least, we have the purple mojito, which on my screen looks like it's reading a little blue. Hopefully it will come out the proper purple in real life, but it's a royal purple, and it definitely shows up both, and the holo is just beautiful. So I would say these are the best holo stampers that I've seen yet. There are a couple other ones out there that I like a lot, but these are just bang on, absolutely top notch. So this again is color alike. You can get them at Lantern Wren, and I will say bye for now. Thank you for watching.